Namaste and welcome to my YouTube channel Ulti T-shirt. I am going to make this video very straightforward. I am going to just read my 4 pages of content and let's see, this is also an experiment. Today's topic is a little sensitive, which is called suicide and dreams. From a long time, I was trying to find the topic of my next video. I was thinking whether should I make a laughing or funny video or a serious one, because I think people like funny videos. There is a whole industry which has been set up, and it's growing great. There are apps which are being developed only because one small thing people laugh on videos. But I don't want to be part of this mob mentality or something like that. So I don't want to be into a bhed jal or something like that. But I want to make my content very interesting for you guys slowly and gradually, obviously, not now. So I'm going to just read the rest of the things which I've written. Uh, I will try to do something different. I will try, when I want to be, I want all those people who feel like talking to somebody can come to me and say, "Hey, Satish, I would like to talk to you," and I would say, "Yes, come on, start." I love talking. Sometimes it hurts. Sometimes my jaw hurts, but my brain doesn't stop putting words into my mouth. And most of the time when I speak so much, people around me gets irritated. you know so I would like to bring everyone's attention to this topic, which is called suicide. Okay. I have no interest in getting any benefit out of any tragedy which has recently happened. I have spoken about this particular topic about in my previous video as well, and I'm very serious about this because there are some incident which has happened recently in my life. So I am very aware about what could have been their mindset is. So a young actor commits suicide. People cry, people feel bad about it, people are shocked, and for few days they will keep on remembering these stuff, how good he was, or how great person he was, and this and that. And later on, when the days are gone, and people moves on, and they tends to unknowingly, they tends to make same environment for others or for around them, or for unknowingly, okay, creates the same environment until next incident of such tendency happens. Okay, and then again goes to grief, and commenting, and feel sorrow about it. So why does this happen? I have figured it out that it is not just one single incident. Okay, which is the reason for these suicides and depressions and everything. It's a series of incidents happened recently or in past series. And when your brain and mind started blaming yourself and keep pulling you down and down, then you reach to a point where you do such stuff. Okay. Now, what forces mind and you know heart to take such a drastic steps? you know like for example, I can count so many things which can possibly make me believe that I am into depression right now, or maybe at least on a stage or on the verge of stage of depression right now. Or why not? Because there are so many reasons. I can count it for you. I have no job from last 3 months. Okay, and I've been locked down over here in this room alone in this flat. Okay, I have family, but they are 1800 kilometers away. Okay, I have my small baby who's growing up every day, but I can't see him. Okay, I have very limited resources and very little money to survive. Okay, I have developed a habit of drinking over so many years, so I can blame myself on and on and on. So slowly what happens is you tends to give your brain this small test. You start doing, saying, "Yo man, this wrong thing has happened to me, and I should have not done that particular thing, otherwise it may happen again and again." There's something else happened, and then you thought, "Oh my god, I should have not done that as well." and slowly your brain and your tendency of questioning yourself uh, becomes very bold, and you start putting yourself into the witness box, or again and again, and start blaming yourself. Okay, that happens with everyone at some point of the life or some stage of your life. You would definitely see these kind. Nobody is completely happy. Happiness is not a state. Okay, it's a continuous effort. Now I have figured it out. Why? Now, for example, why does happen, and what is the solution for this? I have very beautiful solution. If you agree with me, please like it. When you start learning, when you are small, and when you start learning to walk, a small thing, walk, you tends to you try to avoid the obstacles, like stone, rocks, or edge of the bed, or maybe path hole, or anything which comes to your in your way. You tends to ditch that and walk. Okay, but initially when you were small, it was not fed in your mind, right? Slowly, gradually, your brain has educated your itself, that you should avoid all these things, so much that even if you're talking over the phone and you're not thinking about those stones and uneven surfaces on the sidewalks and on roads, or entry gate or stairs or anywhere, even when you are on phone, you tends to ditch that, because your unconscious mind knows that that's a threat. Similarly, when you try to blame yourself, your brain start learning, and you go into depression, saying that you are the culprit of, you can blame yourself and you have to blame yourself. Now take it in other ways. Now, for example, if I am in depression, what I will do, I will do opposite thing. I will start making plans for December 2020. What will I do then? Okay. That time I would have my job, I would have my whole family with me, and I have a lot of money. My all my debts will be paid. I don't know how, but it will be paid. And I will start writing this down and start dreaming every now and then. Whenever I'm relaxing, watching TV, I start dreaming good things about my future, because the best thing about this process is, and the best advice one can give is, you know your future, your present may be shitty, but your future will be beautiful and great. You know why? Because you are choosing to live to see that future. It's so beautiful thought, that if you are alive to see the future, then only it will become beautiful. So you do not think about killing yourself at all, and dream about, like, start making plans, like June 2021, maybe me and my whole family will go to Australia to meet my friends, or maybe stay a couple of months there, maybe start working there, or maybe go there to visit some places and come back, or maybe go to Nigeria, let's say Africa, or let's go to some random places, Seychelles. So all these places. So you dream about those beautiful future, and what will happen to your brain and mind and soul? They come together and give you this bright picture. Right now, in the same shitty situation, you will feel light and right and correct. I'm telling you, this is the medicine. You will get standard answers from everyone. You will, and you will find somebody saying, be strong, this time will pass, don't worry about it, I will always be there, you can talk to me, you can call me anytime. But at that point of time, you will not understand these standard answers. The real answer lies in these standard answer, because they are giving you hint. They are there for you. This time will definitely pass. Time doesn't stand still, for your problems or for your shitty situation. Be beautiful about your future. Future, I can decide. I'm going to dream about my future beautifully. Maybe unrealistic, maybe imagination, but I'm going to make myself light right now. So I will not be drawn towards the depression. So that's the end of my video, and please do comment on this video, like my video, share it as much as you can, and please share it, because this important message I want to convey to everyone. Okay, and please do give your feedback, and I would love to improvise every day, these YouTube videos and try to put some music or something, but I'm learning on that. I'm not learning, but I don't know about all these things. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I love you all from the bottom of my heart. And I mean it. Everybody right now, when I say it, everybody comes together in my from my WhatsApp group in my brain, and in I'm imagining everybody right now standing in front of you, me, and I love you all. Thank you so much. God bless. Take care. Namaskar.